During the question hour on the final day of the Assembly budget session, Leader of Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma urged upon the state government to constitute a separate inquiry into the implementation of the smart metering projects funded by the Asian Development Bank. Tourism Minister Sneaw Bhalang Daha today informed that the approved amount of 200 lakh is not sufficient for the scheme for beautification of Umyam viewpoint, which has led the department to not take up the scheme. The department is now examining for a new source of funding. The demand for inclusion and recognition of the Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule was once again discussed in the House as West Shillong MLA Mahendro Rapsang questioned why the government of India has failed to adopt these two languages in the 8th schedule. Former Congress MLA Nelang Lengdo, who had taken a hiatus from politics, joined the National People's Party and decided to make a comeback before the upcoming assembly elections in 2023. Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya has directed officials to maintain a high level of alertness and surveillance and carry out genomic sequencing aggressively across the country in the wake of a surge in the COVID-19 cases in some European and East Asian countries.